ProQuest Science is a library database that has research for chemistry, biology, engineering, and other STEM classes. You can access ProQuest Science from the library homepage under Articles and Databases. It's under the Health, Medicine, and Sciences collections. To search, you just enter terms in the search box. I'm going to put in climate change and ocean warming. And we get about 49,000 results for this search, so we want to narrow it down. You can do that by adding more keywords in the search box, by limiting to full text, by limiting to source type under peer-reviewed or these other source types, and also by limiting by date. So I'm going to start by adding some more search terms. I'm going to put in fish. And I'm also going to put climate change in quotes to tell the computer to search for that exact phrase in that exact order. I could do that with ocean warming as well. I'm going to limit to full text, and then I'm going to limit to peer-reviewed articles. And finally, I'm going to limit by date to research articles from the last 5 years. Now I have about 2,500 articles. If I want to see an article, I click here on the title and it will take me to the full text. I can also see the PDF of the full text that includes images and graphs. And finally, if I want to print it, cite it, or email it, I can click on the print icon here in the PDF. I can click on the citation button to get the citation that I need. I can copy and paste it, or I can email it to myself, and that will email me the full text of the article as well as a draft of the citation. So I need to click on this box here that says include bibliographic citations. I need to pick the citation style that's used in my class, so I'm going to pick APA here, and then I enter my email and maybe a note about what this is for. And send it off. If you have any questions about using ProQuest Science or any other research questions, contact us using the Ask a Librarian link.